ENPH stock analysis for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in this very short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. So as I'm looking at Enphase Energy, yeah, 3.4% down is where we are at, and all I'm about to say is that if I zoom out, you will see that there's such a bearish market here, right? I made more videos than anyone else in the space, with the most proof document of 39,000 videos. And all I have to say, this is still such a bearish market. Like, that's why I have a demonstration video link, because no one else does. So I'm here to freaking dominate. There you go. It's been sitting at $73.52 3 months back. Since then, the price just kind of kept melting and melting. Then all I have to say is that it's still in a bearish range, and unless I see some crazy breaks above $66, it's gonna be the same. Again, not trying to hate, just trying to be realistic. So definitely keeping an open mind with ENPH. Still such a bearish market, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.